Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your WordPress site with SiteGround, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your WordPress site with SiteGround, start by logging into your SiteGround account. Navigate to the Websites tab to locate your WordPress site. Click on Site Tools adjacent to your website. In the Site Tools dashboard, select Security from the left sidebar. Under the Security menu, click on SSL. Enable the SSL certificate for your site by toggling the switch to on. Next, return to the Security menu and click on IP block list. Here, next, navigate to WordPress in the left sidebar. Select Install and Manage and ensure that your WordPress version is up to date. If needed, update your WordPress installation to the latest version. Now, return to the Security menu and click on WAF for the Web Application Firewall. Enable the WAF for enhanced protection against various online threats. After configuring the WAF, return to the main dashboard and select Backups. Schedule regular backups of your site to ensure data is not lost. You can also create an on-demand backup for immediate security. Next, install a security plugin through your WordPress admin dashboard. Popular options include WordFence or Security for added layers of protection. Once installed, configure the plugin settings according to your security needs. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on Users. Ensure that all user accounts have strong, unique passwords. Regularly review user roles and permissions to maintain security. Next, return to Site Tools and navigate to Email under Domain. Implement two-factor authentication for your SiteGround account for added security. Finally, routinely monitor your site's security through the tools available in Site Tools. Your WordPress site is now secured with SiteGround's comprehensive security measures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.